Hi everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in to my Friday Night Live. So of course we have a special guest for tonight, and she's one of my friend outside office and within office then. So just stay tuned, and then we will be letting her in later on of the show, and we will get to know her better. We will get to know her further sa ating mga gustong itanong. Especially, we are celebrating Pride Month, and um, last week I also featured one of my friend as part of the Pride Month, and right now for this episode, before we end the month, of course, we will still be celebrating, and we will be ending the month with a special guest, of course. Very special because we are celebrating Pride Month. So last week we also had a guest that's also part of the LGBTQ plus community. And right now, before we end the month of June for Pride Month, we will also have our friend from, of course, from LGBTQ plus community to join us here, and of course to know more better, and with the challenges, with the experiences that we had, that she had while being part of the LGBT company. Of course, ready na kaya ang ating special guest? Ayun, nakikita ko na siya. Marami siyang makeup glam team, beauty glam team. Ang dami, nagkakandara pa sa kanyang buhok, nagkakandara pa sa kanyang talagang may makeup pa siya. So without further ado, I will be introducing to you my guest for tonight. She is one of my good friend inside and outside office. And buti na lang at actually last week pa to na schedule niya dapat na mag-guest sa akin, pero I decided to move the schedule kasi merong akong pa-raffle. And of course, buti na lang at available pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Actually, siya yung nagtatanong sa akin kung how it will be done, and ganyan-ganyan. I'm so happy that she's also into it when it comes to our interview for tonight. So, kaya din, kasama din siya sa interview as what I mentioned earlier, because we are celebrating Pride Month, and we will be ending the Pride Month with one of our friends who are part of the LGBTQ Q plus A plus. Okay? Since part din naman tayo ng LGBT. So without further ado, ayan na ang ating guest, aking So sa iba, kilala na siya, pero sa inyo diyan na mga YouTubers, hindi niyo pa siya kilala, pero we will get to know her further or more, 'di ba, when with our show for tonight. So without further ado, I will be putting on stage my special guest, Kibs. Knock knock. Hello. How are you?
Hi, Drew. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Nakita mo naman kung how lively ang ating mga viewers for tonight, 'di ba? So, please say hi to our viewers.
Yes, bumabati po ako ng naimbag nga rabii sa mga aking kababayan sa Baguio. Hello, kung mayroon mang nanonood, kung wala, kung watch the recording.
Yes.
Magandang gabi sa mga ating mga
Yes.
friends dito sa Manila at kung saan pang part ng Philippines, of course. Assalamualaikum sa mga nasa Middle East. Good morning and buenos dias sa America continent.
Of
Yan.
course.
Napaka-international natin ngayon.
Yes. Napaka-international, yes. Talagang a small world, 'di ba, kids, as you can see. And there are a lot of people are really supporting us tonight. And when it comes to our circle of friends, 'di ba? So how does
I
it
was so
feel that you're here in my show right now?
well, I'm happy when I saw Jason sa office during before my first day. So that gave me some sort of a parang comfort zone. And right now,
Mm-mm.
I have to say, kinakabahan pa rin ako. Like we've been doing this hosting thing, yung Jig
Yes.
and
Yes.
Apple. I still get the
Right.
jitters. Now, kahit na online siya, ganun pa rin. Siguro, give us like mga 5 or 10 minutes, tsaka pag naubos ko na yung ininom ko dito,
So what are you
everything's gonna feel
drinking?
smooth na. Magsusponsor ba tayo?
No, we're not. But you can
Masyado.
share naman. Ah, okay.
Upos
Yes,
na.
actually,
Why I
guys.
need a refill? Pa-deliver po.
Well, actually, guys, Kib's Knock Knock is also parang duo kasi kami sa office kapag merong mga event, pag may mga activities, kami po yung nag-host sa sa mga events activities. So pag may event na okay parang kami na yan, of course. But we love doing our passion and we love doing it because that's part of our our parang extra curricular activities, ganun, 'di ba? And to get to further again, kids, that's why you're here, of course, because we are celebrating the LGBT or the Pride Month. So, what is talagang umiinom ka pa, di ba?
Bakit may identification na kanino nag-review? Wait lang.
Oo, may mga questions tayo dito. May pa-quiz tayo dito, di ba? May pa-quiz tayo
quiz
dito.
pala itong inattendan ko. Okay. Can I
sabi ni Maria, ano?
Can I call a friend?
No, you can't call a friend kasi it's only you and you yourself who will be helping. Okay, so let's read some of our favorite host. Ayan, our favorite host daw. Wala naman kayong choice kundi kami lang, 'di ba? Ayan, so kids, for this month, since we are celebrating Pride Month, so just very personal. Siguro very personal to for me, but for you, maybe this is just the usual questions that being asked by most of the people. When did you know that you are unique?
Oh, I like how you phrased it to start with.
Yes, diba? When did you know that you're unique?
I can say your realization started in high school. So, quick background, galing ako sa private, so Taglish, no, para sa mga viewers natin.
Yes, oo.
Quick background, galing ako sa private school. So, pag private school, exclusive yan sa mga girls. So, I started to, like, have my eye on, like, same gender, and I was like, there's something wrong. Parang, because that's what we're brought up to it. So,
right.
parang may mali. Pero when people around me started doing the same thing, like, oh, okay, might as well do it because that's my comfort, right?
Right.
Thing is, when we finished high school and we moved up to college, to the universities, that's when I started to, like, nanindigan na ako sa sarili ko na, ito nga talaga ako. So, doon na pumasok yung choice to be unique or to be different. Kasi nangyari kasi is, yung mga ibang ka-batchmates ko or ibang batchmates, ganyan, may mga ka-on, yung mga term noon, may mga ka-on sila, di ba? Na schoolmate namin. Pero pagdating ng college, sila yung una nagkaka-boyfriend, sila yung may kids na, ganon. And then there's only like a handful of us, like probably 1%, 1.5%, who chose to live this kind of way na mas comfortable
wet life. Right.
Oo. So yeah, ganun yung naging realization high school, and then mas napa-strengthen yung ganong choice nung college until
was
today.
There
regrets.
Yes, of course. At least, diba, mas maganda yun na you accepted yourself from the very beginning or from while you're still growing up. Kasi sa akin naman, I didn't accept myself not until I was in college. Yun. So it's a different diba? Well, I mean, so nung high school ka, was there any mga crushes na sa same gender or same sex? Have you ever experienced that one? And then you felt that is there something wrong with me? Why I am parang nagkakagusto sa same sex, ganon?
Well, it started nung grade 6 hanggang nung high school. So nung actually grade 6 may crush na ako yung teacher ko eh.
Grade 6.
Oh, but I just kept it to myself. Kasi una sa lahat, that it's my teacher, my classmate, so way older than me, right? Pero nung high school kasi, mas naging at ease na ako because most of the people around me are into it. So I thought, in my early years, it was just a fad. So nung first year ako, crush ko yung nasa likod ko. Tapos nung naging mag-tropa kami yung second year, ayun, mas mahirap kasi tropa mo, crush mo. Tapos yung third year, mga lower years, crush ko. Tapos fourth year, may jowa-jowa, ganyan. Ganun kalendar.
I think I can I think I can relate kasi ganun din ako. Grade 6, may crush na ako. Ganun kalandi, di ba?
Diba?
Hindi. Siguro na-feel ko dahil parang there's something different na parang bakit ako nagkakagusto sa kapwa ko mahal ko, ganun. Kapwa ko
Pero Drew,
mahal
ang
ko.
question ko sa'yo, pero Drew, nagkagusto
Oh,
ka rin ba sa
no.
girls?
None.
Oh.
No, nada.
Oh, yeah.
Nada. Never. Yes. Oo. And there are people who are asking, naka-try ka na ba? Naka-try talaga. Naka-try ka na ba ng girl? No, I didn't. And I don't want to try it just because of peer pressure and just because
Mm,
of the social society is asking me to do it. No. What I
mm.
want to do is just to follow my heart and whatever I am, go ahead. Yun lang yung ipa-follow ko. So I will not be pressured by whoever is telling me that you just have to do it, 'di ba? O pak,
So,
yung crown, lagay mo na. Ganun.
excellent clap.
'Di ba? So ngayon, nung habang nag-grow ka kids or tayo as part of LGBT plus community, ganon, so nandun tayo, I know that being part of the LGBT community is really hard, di ba? Kasi people are asking or telling us that, no, you should be like this, you should be like that. Was it hard that since we are part of the LGBT, was it hard to, while you were growing up as part of the LGBT plus community?
Yes. It's not as difficult as what you hear, as those nightmare stories that you hear. So that's one thing that I'm grateful of so far, no. Um, pero yung mga teasing na parang, alam mo yung parang microaggressions, signs of microaggressions, where you
Mm-hmm.
get the teasing and the name calling when I walk by. Kasi yung building namin sa human sciences, shared building yun ng ng engineering and architecture, information technology, tsaka human sciences. So, of course, you
Mm-hmm.
have those guys in there that pag dumaan ka sa harap nila and they're a bunch of guys talaga, I get the name calling, I get the
Name
teasing in
calling,
there.
oo.
So, syempre, sanay na ako sa ganun, I guess. So, diretso lang, parang walang narinig. Ganyan. I guess it was difficult when it comes to the sa career side. Um,
Mhm.
in terms of like, sa Baguio kasi, or sa, sorry, yung dami nag-chat in the background. Sa hometown, dalawa lang ang doon eh. Dalawa lang ang maging choice mo to get to the heights of your career. Either
Mhm.
one, you be an educator, or two, you be an engineer. Why is that? Kasi pag
Mhm.
educator ka or professor, you can teach, you can get work in different universities in there, right?
Okay.
If you're an engineer, ang daming processing zones doon sa Baguio, and with those two mentioned, that's where you have comfortable or beyond comfortable, having a beyond or more comfortable living. And I told
Mhm.
myself na una sa lahat, hindi ako magaling sa math. So, hindi ko kaya
Okay.
mag-engineering. Pangalawa, kung nasa educational field ako, it will be difficult for me to model what's right. No,
Right.
to model what's right, diba? So, sabi na, walk the talk. Hindi ko pwedeng i-model na, meron akong girlfriend na teacher ako sa university. Hindi kasi ganun eh, diba? It's not part of our
Right.
moral fiber, charot. So, um, yun yung mahirap na part. So, pag I have to be away from my hometown. I have to get out of my comfort, be away from my parentals,
Hometown. Mhm.
yes, from my hometown, and look
Mhm.
for a career na ma-express ko yung sarili ko, yung skill set ko, na ako, without any
Right.
hesitations or whatever. So, yun
With
lang.
without
What
reservations.
reservation? Yep, that's the right term. What I like sa BPO, because I've been exposed in the BPO industry for like 11, 12 years. One thing that I
Mhm.
like with BPO is they give recognition to
Right.
people based on your skill set, based on your output. It's not because
Right.
dikit ka kay ganito, anak ka ni senator, whatever,
Uh-huh.
or you came from a prominent school, isa pa yan, came from a prominent school, yon yung parang I find discriminatory. And so far,
Right.
may mga one-off scenarios na yung nagpapakita
Mhm.
ng machismo behaviors, alam mo yun, ng mga, lalo sa mga, sorry
So,
guys, sa mga kalakihan or sa mga girls naman yung mga, may mga ilag sila, may parang homophobic behaviors silang
mhm. Mhm.
enacted. But yeah, I guess like what I said, it's one off, right? So I can live
Right.
with it. Mm. Para ganun lang ba
Yeah.
dapat yun? We live, I mean,
Right.
ganun lang ba
And
dapat?
yes, that's correct. And I totally agree because I think it's not easy to be part of the LGBT community because there are people who are really labeling you that just have to be like this, you just have to be like that because our parent says that there should only be like boy and girl and whatsoever, diba? Like the usual. But it's hard because they are telling us what to do wherein we don't want to. Hindi naman sa ayaw because it's just because hindi tayo ganun eh. I mean, hindi tayo yun. We won't be the person who we want to be if we will choose the way they want it us to be, 'di ba? So
That's a
it's
good point
yeah,
too. Yeah. And we
yes,
cannot
it's
blame
hard.
them. We cannot blame our parents then, the our elders, because they did not have those pop psychology books to learn how to rear a good child back then, di ba?
Right,
Compared to the
right.
parents now, you have it by your fingertips with internet. So
Correct.
I understand where how kung yung pananaw nila na ganun. At the same time, siguro andun na rin yung kailan tayo mag a-adapt sa mga ganitong changes. And
Right.
not tolerate but also accept um
Correct.
these choices that we
I
have.
I think the best way how to say it is first for those people who are curious if may mga tao na hindi pa accepted yung sarili nila, it should start from within. You really should have to start to accept yourself first before accepting others na they're like this or they're like that because in this type of community, it's really kaya nga 'di ba rainbow kasi ano tayo eh, it's ano tayo eh, parang well diverse yung ating community. It's not just
That's
only
true.
label na lesbian, gay, bisexual. It's everything, di ba? And also kids, na ngayon na pumunta tayo dun sa mga discrimination and whatsoever. In the LGBT community, of course, we know that there are people who are being discriminated because of their looks, because of their gender, because of their orientation, because of whatsoever and whatnot. Was there a time that you were discriminated?
Well, like mentioned kanina, hindi naman ganun ka-severe. Microaggressions,
Mm-hmm.
aggressions lang.
Mm-hmm.
Compared sa mga iba naririnig ko na talagang binubuli talaga to that nth
Yeah.
level, no? Buti naman,
Mm-hmm.
awa ng Diyos, hindi naman umabot sa ganun. So when I say microaggressions, yung mga parinig, ganyan, um,
Mm.
katulad ng mga naririnig ko sa
Like what?
sa ano, may kakilala ako. Ang naging expression niya bakla. Ganyan.
Okay. Uh-huh.
So, ayun. So, teka, what, hindi ako ma-offend ba ako or what? Ganun yung unang pumasok sa utak ko eh. Sabi ko, regardless, kahit biologically male, biological female, bakla pertains to you're pertaining to the LGBT community. So, until
Right,
it gets
right.
quite yung naging expression and habit na nakaka-irita talaga sa tenga. So, hindi ako yung tipong naghanap ng handbook, nagtingin ko ano line item yung yung violent yung misconduct na yon.
Exactly.
What I did was just put my headset on. And then as
Mm-hmm.
much as possible, I avoided that person. Why is that? Hindi kasi ako ganun ka-comfortable erase yon sa management, mainly because there are a lot of things that we need to work out when it comes to the structure and
Mm-hmm.
policies sa workplace natin. And I'm happy to say na nag-uumpisa pa lang yon. I mean,
Right.
at least wala, as nala parang bula. Pero I can see that it's already changing. Right? There's a
Mm-hmm.
community built right now.
Right.
And
Right.
I can see the hope, I can see the future in there na magkakaroon din yung sinasabi nating equality or balance, kumbaga, I say balance. Is not only by theory or by word, but it will eventually put into
Yes.
practice and embedded in our workplace DNA or workplace
Mm-hmm.
culture. And yun,
Th-
gusto ko rin naman na,
yeah,
na
that's
mangyari.
correct. That's correct. And like what our one of our viewers says here, Jason Abarquez says that yes, very traditional lalo na sa mga parents and kins natin kasi nga mas nauna sila mabuhay, very conservative, boxing us and labeling us according to their judgment. Which is true. Kasi 'di ba yung mga kanununuan natin, there's just only two people who are living in this world, boy and a girl, man and a woman, you should be man and a woman or else nothing else. That's it. 'Di ba? But good thing naman din sa akin, I never had any bad experiences within my family or relatives. It's just only sa akin lang talaga because I am the eldest of the four siblings now. So, para sa akin, may pressure sa akin because kailangan maging ano ako, tapos lalaki pa, 'di ba? So,
Role
kailangan
model.
role model, dapat, ano ka, simple, dapat ganito, ganyan. And yun nga, it took a while for me to accept myself because I was really pressured because my
Mm,
parents I thought my parents want me to grow like this. Akala ko lang
mm,
pala yun. But I never really had any experiences na yung parents ko tinanong ako, ano ka ba talaga? Bakla ka ba talaga? Or ano? Walang ganon. Kasi kung tatanungin ako, sabihin ko, Miss Universe po. Ganun.
Teka, naiyak ako. Cheers.
Wala. Diba? Miss Universe po. No, I never had that. I never had that experience with my parents. And my parents were really, really supportive and really understanding sa aking whatever man yung choose ko na life, diba? So sabi naman Maricel Canoy, as long as mas straight, meron talaga biases mangyayari because youngsters will not understand directly. It's a process to be able to understand. Naguguluhan dun sila, bakit ganon? Yes, because
Tama si Miss
straight
Maricel.
because thank you Maricel, because straight people are just telling us that why are you like that, 'di ba? So syempre tatanungin natin, bakit kayo ganun din, 'di ba? So I
Exactly.
I also have one experience. My ano na to, nagwo-work na ako, that was way back
Mm,
2007, 2006. One of my colleague asked me, a girl to, so sabi niya sa akin, bakit mo pinili maging bakla? 'Di ba? Ganun yung tanong. Why did you choose to become gay? And I said, I never chose to become gay. This is just me. Kung choice man 'yon, kung ano man yung
mm,
choice ko, ito na yung kung paano ako mamuhay. 'Yun lang 'yun. But I never really chose to become like this because if only the society will tell us that it should only be a man and a woman or a boy and a girl, why would I complicate myself to choose to be
uh-huh,
like part of the LGBT if
mm,
kung choice siya? But it's not a choice. It's really not a choice.
mm.
It's the only choice lang is how you will yung life mo, 'di ba?
Oo,
Pero
yung
yung
lifestyle.
orientation, no, it's not. So, para sa mga straight people out there who are watching us right now, it's not a choice, same as your sexual orientation na straight. So hindi po yan choice. Okay? Kasi kung meron man, may parapol na sa loob ng bahay bata ng nanay ko, edi sana nag-straight na lang ako
Doon
para
na
wala
lang.
nang para
Ay,
wala
sana
nang
pumili
gulo
ka rin ng
paglabas
blue,
ko.
di ba? Pag gano'n.
Oo, 'di ba? Para paglabas ko ng yan nanalo na ako, ganun, wala lang issue.
Oo, Diyos ko.
'Di
Well,
ba?
I'm
So
just
since
happy that we have straight friends who sincerely and truly understand our disposition and supports our principles as part of the LGBT community. Compared, kasi may mga
mhm.
ibang straight na nagsasabi, yeah, we support you, pero pagdating na yung mga issues, mga socio-economic issues that affects LGBT, ay, ayoko niyan. So, parang
Yes,
doon lumalabas na,
correct.
may bias ka talaga.
Correct.
Ganun.
Correct,
So, mabuti
correct,
na may
correct.
mga straight friends tayong
Who
maunawain.
are
Kahit pa,
very open-minded, yes, especially in the BPO company, right? Not
mm,
to label or not to be being biased when it comes to BPO, but that's where we are parang nag-grow when it comes to our career. So ganun talaga. And in the BPO company, well
oh,
diverse kasi ang ano talaga yung mga tao doon. So same like what Jason Abarca says, a lot of friends, where is it? A lot of friends even have had tragical experiences compared to us. Maswerte pa nga
correct.
tayo. Yes, maswerte pa talaga
Oo.
tayo. And sabi ni Kenneth Xiao, should have asked them why they choose to be straight. Yes! Di ba nga? I could have asked them, then why are you straight? Then why are you asking me if I
Okay,
am
Kenneth next
whatever?
time. Just
Di
kidding.
ba?
Kilala ko si
I
Kenneth.
know.
Hi.
If given a chance, again, for you, if you will be given a chance to go back, this is a Miss Universe question, top 3 na ito, for the crown na ito, ha? So the question is,
So,
if you were given a chance, if you were given a chance to be straight, would you? Why or why not?
oh my God, di mo sinabi defense pala to sa thesis. Grabe. Thank you for no, I'm not gonna use that. I'm not gonna use my universe card here.
Mm-hmm.
So, um, Of course, lahat naman siguro, okay, for me, of course, I choose to be a guy. Right? If I were straight, I choose to be a guy. So I can landi all girls that I want. Just kidding. But I realize also that there are also pains. There might be pains of being a guy that I wouldn't imagine. So much so, for guys, there might be pains also that they wouldn't foresee if they wish to be a girl. So to answer the question, I'd rather be, I'd prefer to be this way to what I am right now. I've learned a lot, the pains and gains of from childhood to the current, to the present.
Right.
Kung hindi ako to ngayon, I mean, kung naging straight guy siguro ako, I wouldn't be as strong as I am right now, strong-willed and stubborn as I am right now. I wouldn't be
And
that
open.
open and hardworking to fulfill my dreams and my goals. I wouldn't be this. At times, I wouldn't be kind-hearted to empathize. Kasi I
Mm-hmm.
was in that at that time na, di ba, na I
Right.
feel rejection at some point. So I wouldn't be empathetic or sympathetic with others if I have been straight and did not encounter
Right.
yung mga microaggressions. Um, I wouldn't be as stubborn and hard-headed, like what I said,
Mm-hmm.
if I were straight, because I can just simply go with the flow because again I'm part of the norm of what expected
Right.
versus to like sticking to the principles and beliefs that I have.
Mm-hmm. Right. Oh, thank you so much for that
Did I answer
wonderful
your
question,
question?
wonderful answer. Yes, there's no right or wrong answer. Of course, thank you so much for that answer. And it's true. If you will be the same, the kumbaga, the other way around. If you will be the other way around, siguro it will be different. It will be a different life ahead of you because you don't know if you will be happy. You don't know if you will be as happy as where you are right now, 'di ba? So, baka naman
Malay
there are
mo,
people, yeah,
malay mo sa ibang multiverse, parallel universe.
multiverse.
Date tayo, di ba? Yung mga
Oh,
inaasam
'di ba?
natin. Sana magparamdam
Oo.
sila dito na, hoy, ganito buhay ko. Para alam natin kung anong, what it looks, and we can do a cross-analysis. Mga ganun. Char!
Right, right. And to share our ideas. And
Oo, di ba?
and let's read the comment of Jason Abarcas. Siguro, yung idea na pagkakaroon ng choice is a matter of reinforcement ng chosen lifestyle mo. Yes, that
Mm,
is correct. Pero di lahat pinalad magkaroon ng choice. Yes, that
that's
is
true.
correct.
That's true.
Mostly sa atin is either takot, correct,
Mm,
frightened, or confused. Yes. So, especially in the LGBT community, there are still people who are not really yet accepted themselves, and there are people who are still in the closet because of this lifestyle or because of this upbringing, because of their family said so, because of their relatives said so, because of the society said so, because of their lolo and lola said so, because of their whoever Poncho Pilato said so. And they don't have those friends who are telling them that no, it's okay to be
it's
unique.
okay. Yeah.
It's okay
Yeah.
to be who you are and be who you are, 'di ba?
Correct.
So buti na lang buti na lang na meron tayong mga friends who are very like that and very supportive when it comes to that one. Bigyan ng such kids. May nanalo na. Ayan, 'di ba? Aray, ha? Actually, mahirap maging bakla. Sa totoo lang, yes. That is true.
Yeah.
Mahirap maging bakla, mahirap maging lesbian, mahirap maging part of the LGBT community because there are people who are judging you even if you are just, doing whatever is not the norm for them. It's hard. But kung ikebs mo na lang sila doon, you know, life is too short to make things complicated. So let's just be happy wherever, whatever we want to. But the real talk here, the reality is, mahirap talaga maging bakla, which is true.
In fact, Drew, one of the pressure
Mm.
that we're feeling, I don't know if you're getting to this stage na rin, but one of the pressure that I felt na for the past 5 years and it still is now is yung line na to, pagtanda mo, sinong mag-aalaga sa'yo? Wala kang anak. I
Yes,
don't know if you've
always
heard
the
that.
line.
Oo,
Yes,
yan.
yes,
Ganyan. So,
marami.
that's one of the pressure na, okay, kailangan ko ba? And I guess pati yung mga ladies out there or guys out there who chose not to have kids yet and they're on the early or middle stage of their life na and they're being
Mm-hmm.
asked by their friends na, okay na ka magkakaanak, wala akong, bigyan mo muna ako ng apo. Yan. Siguro pressure
Right.
din yan. Lalo na sa
Correct.
atin because everyone knows that we cannot bear kids if we
Right.
chose to be with partners of the same orientation,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
So,
Correct.
yeah, sana mabago rin yung outlook na yun.
Yung pananaw. Yeah.
Oh, yan.
Right. And let's also shout out Glad Albania. Glad Albania, thank you so much for joining us for a live streaming for tonight. And also General Bisdak, sabi niya, being part of LGBTQ means you need to prove yourself more than once. Yes, that is correct. Desang joke, para sa akin, hindi naman mahirap basta sabihin ang totoo at open sa lahat. Yes, I agree and I disagree. I agree because it should have been, parang it should be the best thing to do. I disagree because there are people who are not as confident as we are, both of us, kaming dalawa ni Kibbs, as confident as we are, na magsabi whatever talaga yung nasa loob. Because there are people who are takot to be labeled. Bakla ka. Lesbiana ka. Ang ganito ka, magpapaano ka, mga ganon. Kasi 'di ba, like before, like mga 70s, 'di ba? 70s, 60s, 50s or whatsoever na mga makalumang panahon. That they will say na pag bakla, parlorista agad. Ganon. Pag lesbiana, hindi ko alam kung ano yung sa lesbiana naman. Pag lesbiana, kargador agad? Kargador talaga. Hindi naman.
Sorry, I don't know.
Oo. Diba? So, ganon. So, that's why there are people who are not that very open because they fear that they will be labeled of being like this. Pero alam naman nilang hindi. Yun.
Yeah.
But, at least there are a lot of people who are very open na ngayon, especially with the social media, with, social media. Maswerte pa nga ang mga bakla ngayon kasi nandiyan na yung social media, di ba? Unlike before. Right. Ang daming mga resources na kailangang panoorin talaga at tignan. Unlike before na it's so limited, especially if the society will say so na no, hindi pwede yan. Ganon. Daming lahat, sabi ni Jason Obarquez, daming dapat i-consider sa family, sa friends, sa religion, even kahit sa love life, naghihirap. Yes, that is correct. Kasi especially pag nasa office, 'di ba? Ang daming pwedeng consider na parang kasi bakla yan. Magdadalawang not in our office kasi our office is well diverse naman talaga na company and not also from other offices or some other, not just an office but other ano bang tawag nito? Parang other circle of friends.
Industry.
Diba? Or ibang industry, na pag bex ka, ang hirap, kailangan kailangan i-prove mo muna that you are worthy. Kailangan mo nang mag-extra before you will be recognized that you are really doing well. Unlike pag sinabing pag lalaki, babae, okay, matik na yan na gano'n. Diba?
Which is painful din naman kasi why do I have to exert double the effort when I'm just being me and I know I have the capability while the others are lacking and yung output nila is just hindi at par, kumbaga, not up to a certain standard. So parang I think it's time na rin now so in any workplace that we should not be exerting too much effort anymore. Kaya nga kung yun yung balancing when it comes to like gender balance, it's not only about the pay, but it also has something to do with the work output.
Mm-hmm.
Yun lang yung naisip ko so far.
Right.
Kasi yun yung sinabi sa workplace natin.
Sa workplace. Sabi naman ni Des ang joke, Drews, no need to as long as na ipinakita mo kung ano ka sa sarili mo. Yeah, that's correct. But then again, not everyone has the same way as, 'di ba, kung ano talaga kami or what. Kasi ganito 'yan. Kahit na kahit na sabihin mo na I'm okay, for example, kunwari nagpapaka-straight ako pero deep inside, I'm really a butterfly, 'di ba? So kahit sabihin natin na nagpapakita ako ng totoo ko sa sarili ko, deep inside, alam mo sa sarili mo na may hindi totoo, that you are faking it. So kahit na sabihin mo na ipakita mo yung kung ano ka sa sarili mo, but if you are not yet fully grown butterfly, then you are not happy. But yes, good point, Des and Joke. Good point. Thank you so much for that. But yun nga lang, iba-iba talaga ang tao eh. So we really can't blame them and we really cannot judge them based on whatever choice kung ano mang gusto nila na kung mag-out na sila or hindi. And also, speaking of out, kung meron kayong kakilala na mga hindi pa out or feeling ninyo na ay ano kaya siya, Bax yata siya or ano, shibuli bam. Huwag nyo namang i-out. Hayaan nyo sila na ma-out ng
Yes.
sarili, okay? Huwag nyo namang i-judge agad kasi malay nyo ano lang siya, ang tawag nun kids, malay mo, oo, ganun lang siya or malay mo hindi naman talaga siya Bex or shibuli bam, ganun lang talaga siya, di ba? So we are judging the person already. So let
And
them
everything
be.
will fall. Yeah, everything will fall in its right time. When
Correct.
it's time. Yun. Hindi yung minamadali.
Correct. So speaking of which, yung pag-accept, pag ganyan. So how's your love life? Is someone's making you happy right now? We haven't seen for a while, so I know I have to ask this, even na nag-uusap tayo sa office, but I haven't asked you this. But I think this is the right time for me to ask you. Is there someone who is making your heart happy? Yes, ganun.
Okay naman tayo sa love life, finally.
Oh, okay naman. Oh, someone is making you happy.
Binabati ko na yung happy pill ko. Hi, my happy pill.
Oh, may pa gano'n. Ba't ako kinikilig?
Ako din. Ay, charot. No, because people know that I'm not in a relationship for a very long time, for the longest time. Last time was back in 2014. Mga ganun.
Mm-hmm.
And I was to the point na inaccept ko na I'll live alone, inaayos ko na yung retirement ko, and have my nephews take care of me, and my niece take care of me.
Nag-overthink ka naman. Oo.
Oo, ganun, na I'll live alone, ganyan. And then, unexpectedly, my happy pill came along. So, yeah, love life. We're good in the love life department. Thank you.
Love, ano? I haven't heard that clearly. What is it?
Oh, I said, we're okay with the love life department.
Love life department. I thought you are in the same department.
Anong department?
I thought you are in the same department.
Hindi po. I-declare ko po yun sa management namin pag ganun.
Pag ganun. Ayun. And then sabi ni...
Sorry, itlog lang. Love life department.
Ayun. So before I will go on to my next question, sabi naman dito ng mga viewers natin, go Idol Kib, sabi ni Glad. And then sabi ni Ken, ayan na ang magandang tanong. Sabi ni Kate Cruz, ayan na, I'm waiting for that question. Ayan. Sagot daw. Sumagot ka daw. Oo. And then, sabi naman ni Desang Joke, marami ako dito, Drew's friends, pina-encourage ko siya, pakita ka. Yes, thank you so much, Desang Joke, for doing it to your friends and really encouraging them and give them the self-confidence to be the butterfly as they wanted to be, ganun. And then, so, sabi nila, pangalan daw. Uy, may nagpaano pala si Kenneth Xiao. Thank you so much sa pa-super chat. Thank you so much. Sana all, sabi ni Jane Payawal. Jem Flores, ayan na. Kilala ko yung dati Kib, sabi ni Jason Amarquez. Kilala daw niya. Ba't hindi ko kilala to? Kibs to. Sabi ni Unique BH Vlogging. Sabi ni Unique BH Vlogging, Kibs tol, go. Ayun, di ba? Pero how long have you been together or mag-on? Ganon. Mag-on talaga. Napaka-old, ano. Oo. How long have you been into a relationship? Ganon.
Bago lang. We're nasa budding process pa lang. So, believe it or not, we met in a dating app. And she's from, dito siya sa Philippines. So, it started with, I was in I was so no October I was in vacation. I was abroad. And
Yes,
then I was in
you were
Peru.
in Peru, Peru.
Yes, I was in Peru that time. And then sabi ko, oy, baka may makuha akong Latina dito. So, I opened my ticket. And yan, yun yung landi side ko. And then swipe. And then I swiped at her. And then I did not leave any messages. And then
Swipe
afterwards,
right and swipe left.
oo, mga ganon. Pero siya,
So,
ano ba yung, kasi accept.
so alam,
Sabi yung,
so alam ko na. Alam na namin lahat yung app na yan.
lahat naman natin ng app, dating app, nagsaswipe, di ba? So, yun.
Oo.
So yeah, nag-usap muna kami.
Naiiyak
And then,
ako.
ako rin, hindi ko alam kung sa init o sa
Oo.
tawa. But,
Oo.
when I got
Pinagpapawisan
back
ka.
here, ay, sorry. So yeah, when I got back here na nung November, that's the time that we met, and then we were we were seeing each other. Kaya yan, ganda ng smile ko sa office.
Yes.
And then yeah, and we're dating up to present.
Oh. So you're still
Ayun.
dating.
Well, when you're
Pero-
committed, we're committed and dating at the same time. Exclusively dating.
Exclusively dating. Oh,
No, kasi
yes.
diba, you have to put spice in a relationship.
Mm-mm.
So, hindi po
Correct.
porket kami na, okay na, napaka-chillaxan natin. I still make efforts. Ina-effort yun. Dinedate ko pa rin siya. Sino-surprise. Ganyan.
Oh,
Binibigyan ko siya ng flowers. Mga
Oh,
broccoli.
kinikilig naman ako.
Cauliflower, mga ganyan.
oo.
Kasi may sa gulay. Ayun.
Cauliflower. Kaloka naman to.
Broccoli and cauliflower. Yan.
Bro,
Ganun
at least nakakain,
mga
diba?
ganito natin. Oo.
So, since nandito rin tayo sa Love Life na pinag-uusapan, nakailang, ano na ba tayo? Nakailang jowa na ba tayo? Oy, ang dami ha. Ang tagal sumagot.
pang fifth ko siya, pang lima ko siya, bale. So, syempre, una tayo naglandi no high school. Tapos, hindi naman yung papalit-palit kasi. It takes time for me to get over someone. I go through the healing because I trust the process. I trust the process that much, kaya I go through it. Down in the dumps time. Kaya madalas din ako sa inuman.
Dahil nasaktan ka.
O yung mga ganyan. And typically, I just sleep. Yun, ganun yung mga side ko. Yung iba, lumalabas na rape party, right? In my case, I just keep it to myself. I stay at home, yan, ganyan. So yeah, pang lima siya.
Wow.
Ayun, I've learned so much then. I think everyone would say yes, that we've learned so much in the past that we keep putting our standards higher and higher to the point na ayoko na. And doon ako umabot sa ayoko na. And then,
wow, lakas maka-showbase. Ayan, kinikilig daw si Anton. Ay, si General Bisdak. General Bisdak, kinikilig ka na ba? Shy Vlog, Mami Sharon, hello. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Shibuana, girl, thank you so much for joining. Buti na lang Pinoy nakuha mo, kundi baka di ka na umuwi ng Peru. Oo nga, you've been there for like a month or 3 weeks, di ba?
I was there for 2 weeks. Gusto ko 3 weeks, pero baka maubusan ako ng pera.
2 weeks.
Kaya 2 weeks lang. 2 weeks lang.
Oh, and then after that, we were preparing for the Christmas party, right?
Right.
Oh, yun. Oh, yun na nga pala yun.
Nagari tayo. That time. And
sabi ni Shibuana, I'm sorry, go ahead.
I was about to say na okay din naman kapag Latina kasi you get to learn from different cultures din and that makes the relationship fun. Or spicy.
Pero it's hard because
exactly, the long distance thingamajig. Yeah.
Naku, mapapasana all na lang talaga yung iba dyan. Sabi naman ng Shibuana girl, harang na maganda after me, Charian. Ayan, Ate Shibuana girl, thank you so much for joining. Jason Obarcas, ganern, standards. Standards talaga. Desang joke. Naku, may pa-question na naman to si Desang joke. Ano ba yan? Question goes for Drews. Okay, fine. Nagkaroon ka na bang karelasyon sa una or till now at nasaktan ka na ba? Ang daming tanong, paano ka masaktan or makamove on? Unang tanong, Unang tanong, nagkaroon ka na ba ng karelasyon? Yes, I had. And I'm into a relationship right now. And we've been together for 6 years now. And
Ng corona.
nasaktan ka na. Of course. Nasaktan ka na ba? Of course. Nasaktan na rin ako. Nung nasaktan ako way back 2010 and then naging single ako for 3 years and then nag-meet kami nitong partner ko 2014 and then up to now we're still together for 20 tuloy kasi nakita ko yung viewers 26 for 6 years and going 7 of course ganun. And of course, I'm very, very much happy with my partner right now. And siya yung lahat na ng katarayan ko, lahat na lang ng kamalditahan ko, sinakop na niya. Kaya mahal na mahal ko yan eh. Kasi talagang kahit na magtaray ako sa kanya, kebs lang siya. Ganun. Oo, kilala nila ano yan. Kilala nila General Bistac, nila Kate Cruz, kilala ni Glad Albania. I don't know if nakita ni Jason Obarquez yung partner ko, but kilala nila yan. Hello, host Pogi. Ang ganda. Hindi mo pa nakita? Okay, sige. Pakilala kita pag nagkita tayo. Yes. Ate Rosita Egner, thank you so much for joining. Fresh from Norway. Thank you so much. Ate Maria Yorians. Hi, Drew. Hi, Ate Maria. Thank you so much. Fresh from the Netherlands. Kasama sila dalawa ni Ate Hannah Songbooks. Unique BH Vlogging. Ano pa ba? Congrats, clap for 6 years. Yes, thank you so much, Jason. Alam mo yan. Sa dating app din ba? I know, we didn't, Kenneth Shao, we didn't meet. Basta kayo nang bahala kung ano yung prepositions. Basta meet. Hindi kami nagkita sa dating app. No, hindi kami nagkita. Ang story namin was, I commented into a picture ng isang common friend namin. And then, I was single then, syempre. And then, I was single and dating then. And then, siya naman single. And then, nakita niya ako nag-comment dun sa isang friend. So, common friend. Tinanong niya yung friend niya about sa akin, kung sino daw ako. Ganun. Kinilig naman ako. Ganun. And then, yun, doon na nag-start. So, yun. Oh my God, Maui De Vera is here. Aloha, joining fresh after my... Oh my God, nakaka-pressure naman to. Yung ating mga big bosses, just color, kailangan magpa-freshen up. Mavi De Vera is in the house, guys, my dear. My ever-supportive friend, fresh from, taga saan ba to si Mavi De Vera? Fresh from Italy. Yan, fresh from Italy. Fresh from Italy and Australia, ganyan, international. Sa Jason Obarquez, sa peak, yes, and a lot of stories. He must love you to the nth power. Oh yes, of course, and I can feel that. And I do love him as well to the nth power. At kilala din ni Mavi De Vera si partner.
Sige, kayo
na. Oh. Ayun, Agi, Ariana and KJ Granville, fresh from the New York City, US of A. Thank you so much for joining. Igat guapa host. Ayan, and also kids, since we are talking about nasaktan, nag-move on, was there a time that you tried yourself, or you thought that you will try something else, like to a guy? Was there a time?
It never crossed my mind. Kasi parang, I don't know, it never crossed my mind actually. In that moment of despair, the only thing that I'm thinking of is, it's painful. It's painful. It's painful. I don't want to live the next day because it's painful. Yun lang. So, and then as I moved on to the next stages of it, technical. As I moved on to the next stages of it, parang, I don't remember the people, and I don't consider people anymore. I don't consider, well, yeah, I remember what happened, but not so much on my radar. I simply remember, I simply focus on what else can I do para mapagbuti ko yung sarili ko. So, kaya siguro ako nabansin ng workaholic, kasi I put my energy in there.
Doon na
so,
lang,
never, so, considering other genders, never crossed my mind because I put my energy into somewhere else.
But what if, since there is always a saying, love knows no gender. So what if, will you give a chance? Will you take a risk?
Crush ko si Paolo Avellino, actually.
But let's not talk about the star. Let's talk about the usual, the common citizens. Let's talk about the common citizens of the Philippines.
Wala eh. I mean, I get to say, I get to see that a guy or, yeah, a man or a guy is attractive, anatomically speaking. Pero yung,
Biologically speaking.
no, yung mga cortical muscles, yung tindig. Actually, hindi nga muscles titignan ko eh, yung dito sa hairline. Yun yung una ko tinitingnan. Tsaka
Wait,
yung,
nagulat ako kasi may ano tayo, pa super chatter tayo. Thank you so much, Ate Maria Yorians. Thank you so much. Ang yung mga super chat dyan. Okay, let's
thank you
move
po.
on.
So, yun. I mean, I get to appreciate the anatomy of a man or of a guy. Pero hanggang doon lang, talaga. I mean, kahit na, I try na i-imagine. What if, magka-holding hands kami, like,
You can't imagine.
cannot fathom it. Yeah, cannot
Ako
fathom
din.
it. So,
Oo,
mas
kasi
compared pag sa girl, mas, ano kayo pag-akbayan ko to, tapos na-imagine ko na holding hands kami, tapos, dinala ko na sa red and yellow, sa
oops, red and
McDonald's.
yellow. Okay. Kala ko anong red and yellow. I'm so
McDonald's!
innocent. Oh, innocent. Sabi ni Jason Abarquez, being gender fluid, what you think?
Gender, is it similar with being a bi? I don't know.
I don't know as
I
well.
don't know.
What is gender? Yes, Jason Abarquez, sorry if we are not really knowledgeable with that word, but can you please rephrase rephrase it for us? Pa-inosente, Drew's Corner, ka-Ines, yes. Ang mga basher ko nandyan. Yan yung mga basher ko yan. Si General Bisdak, si Kate Cruz, yan mga basher ko. Oo.
Napaka-supportive.
Oo, napaka-supportive. Jason Oberquez, parang hirap kasi noon, parang di pa kaya ng pagkatao ko yarn. Oo nga, parang okay, gender fluid, parang basta lang na sa sinabi ng society na, okay, you just have to be parang move on. I mean, parang just accept it na just be with the guy because your parents says so or the society says so. Kung wala ka na ba ibang choice. Uy, may pakulay na naman tayo, Ate Hannah Songbooks. Thank you so much sa pakulay. Oh my God. Thank you so much sa inyong
Actually,
mga support.
Drew, yun yung isa sa mga, one of the things that I've learned from a dating app is like, when you're setting up yung profile mo, you gotta choose kung ano yung preference mo. So, akala
Okay.
ko, male, female, lesbian, gay, tapos na. Akalain mong ang dami pang category. Like,
Yes.
alam mo yun?
Like the...
Hindi ko maintindihan. Bakit?
Mm-mm.
Gusto ko simple lang. Why do you have to make it complicated na ang daming spectrum? Alam mo yun? So, parang,
Kasi, I
ano
think
mo na?
that's... Oo, sa bagay. Pero I think that's more of because kaya nga 'di ba ganun yung ating flag. It's a colorful
Kasi
flag
rainbow.
because well diverse, ang dami natin mga paandar, ganon. So kahit na kahit na iba-iba tayo, still equal pa rin tayo. That's why it's may equality pa rin tayo sa ating gender. And like what Jason Abarca says, like what you've said, love knows no gender. Ganun nga yung pala yun. So sabi niya, gender fluid. So kung magmahal ka naman, kung talagang sa tingin mo ay never mo naman na-imagine na magmahal ka sa isang lalaki, na never mo ma-imagine na maging girlfriend niya or whatsoever. Pero since again, love knows no gender, kung talagang tumibok ang puso mo, ito ay puputok. Ganun. Wala ka nang magagawa kundi sundin ito. Yan. Kapag tumibok ang puso. Ganun. Ate Rosita Egner, yes, that is correct. Diba? So, ganun naman eh. Kasi nga, especially with our viewers out there, I'm sure you've experienced this before that dapat ang maging, especially when we were still in high school or elementary, when we were writing in the slam books na what's your standard o mga ganun, ano yung mo tawag nito, ideal man, ideal woman, ganon. Right, so dapat pogi, dapat matangkad, dapat mayaman. Pero when you love someone and talagang pumutok yung pag-ibig mo na yon, those standards are nothing. Ganun.
Hey, fun fact.
Ganun.
Fun fact. You did mention about the rainbow and the flag in Peru, in Cusco. They raised the Peru flag alongside with the rainbow flag. So,
Oh,
akala ko it has something to do
talaga?
with their recognition with LGBT. Yun pala, it has something to do, well, in addition to that, it has something to do with the celebration and acknowledgement of different cultures. Kasama din ang mga indigenous people nila
People,
sa
mm-hmm.
Peru. So, yeah, as you said,
Wow.
colorful as it may seem. And there's another chika. There's a
Mm-hmm.
chika na dadagdagan daw ng brown and black colors ang rainbow
Uh-huh.
flag to
Because,
acknowledge yung Black Lives Matter.
talaga, gano'n na ka-well diverse ang ano 'no, talagang ka-well
Correct.
recognized na yung ano natin. Sabi naman ni Hannah Songbox, "Host, drop ako sa link ni brother ni Maria." Sure, go ahead, go ahead. Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, gano'n. Um, so, since napag-usapan natin yung sa Peru, meron silang mga pa-flag, I mean merong flag na tinabi, I mean merong LGBT flag na tinabi do'n sa flag nila, sa national flag nila. Do you think in the Philippines, Filipinos are more acceptable? I mean, are now accepting, are now parang na-accept na nila ang LGBT community? In your own opinion, do you think that the Filipinos, are ready na? Why or why
Oh.
not? Wow, may pa-question ganun.
Grabe, defense na naman. Akala ko tapos na. Okay.
Oo.
Papakain ba ako pagkatapos nito? Okay, sige,
Marami pa
wait.
akong tanong. Oh.
Marami pa ba? Sige lang.
Mm-mm.
Sige, in my own opinion naman I'd say that there's a level of acceptance.
Mm-hmm.
The community, the culture tolerates what we're doing, what we believe in. Um, the community accepts what we believe also, our principles that we uphold. The only thing that's lacking right now is seeing it in action or putting things
Okay.
into action. Like if they
Mm-hmm.
say that we're really they tolerate and accept us, I do not see it in legislation. Yun. So siguro that's one way to say na we were not fully accepted. Give you a classic example because it's embedded in the culture. It's different to get rid of
Mm-hmm.
it. And
Right.
it's we have a leader who will be able to champion that, right? Classic example is in a highway. So yes, nagko-commute ako papunta sa office, and madalas
Mm-hmm.
angkas or joyride o kung ano pang motor diyan kasi mabilis. And then
Oo.
we get to encounter like mga close and first-hand experience yung mga nagkakainitan ng mga drivers or sa
Mm-hmm.
Grab man lang mismo. And the drivers themselves would say, ay, kaya pala aksidente, kaya pala babae yung driver. Yan. Kahit tomboy or straight, kaya pala babae. Yun, yung mga ganong
Mm-hmm.
maliliit na bagay. So, kung mga ganong maliliit na bagay, we do not have an open mind. What more with
Mm-hmm.
this kind of community that we have? So, I have to say that I think everyone who's been accepting and true to us
Mm-hmm.
as a country, I don't know if it will even get there in our lifetime. Probably in another
Right.
multiverse
In
again.
another multiverse, another 100 years, 'di ba?
Right.
In another 100 years, sorry, binabasa ko kasi yung mga comments. And since we're talking about the equality ngayon, 'di ba, sa ating community, do you think equal na ba talaga? Is there really an equality that we are fighting for? Is that equality, is does the equality that we're fighting for is really exist? Does really exist?
Um, I think when you talk about equality as a word in itself, it
Mm-hmm.
comes in different interpretation and meaning to every individual. I'd rather say maintaining balance or equilibrium, coexistence compared to
Right.
equality. Because when you say equality, ano lang siya eh, it's it's a black and white approach.
Mm-hmm.
Um, it's a black and white yes or no. But when it comes to like balancing, that's where you have your yin and yang. There is hindi lang tayo nag-weigh sa isang side. We acknowledge yung wholeness or yung kabuuan ng pagkatao ng bawat isa.
Right.
Yun.
Right.
So we'll never
Agree.
be equal. That's what in my opinion, will never be equal. But we can, because we're unique. That's to start with, and we're all different. but we can maintain balance based on our preference, based on our needs as well. At kung ano yung mga
Right.
um, goals din natin.
That's correct, and I agree with that. And to add on into that answer of yours, I think like what you said, we will not be as equal as what we wanted to be, like what we are fighting for. But I think for me, the equal that we just need from other people or from the society is the equal mindset, the equal open-mindedness with each other. Ganun lang yun. Para walang ano, parang walang mas alpha, walang mas ano sa iba, ganun. Para lang when it comes to the ano ba, the tawag nito, the society lang ba. I think yun lang. But the next question is, ay, may mga sagot dito. Wow. Ay, may mga ano dito. Sabi ni Jason Obarquez, di pa ready ang Pinas. Sad but true. Yes, that is correct. Agree
Sure.
with
Yep.
Kibbs. Yes, that is correct. Love it. Equilibrium, balance, coexistence. Yes, di ba may mga ganong words si Kibbs? Mga equilibrium, ganun. Very powerful ang coexistence. Yes. Guwapa, maya, puntahan ko yun sa ba. Babalikan ka niyan. Drews and Kibbs, may plan ba kayong Okay, wait lang ha. May question tayo. But before that question, sige, let's move on to that question. So guys, kung may mga questions kayo, please ano lang ha, mag-comment lang kayo diyan, mag-chat lang kayo diyan kung
May
ano yung
bayad
mga
po, 10
questions niyo.
pesos.
Sasagutin
Joke.
namin 'yan. Drews and Kibbs, may plan ba kayong magpa-change ng maging babae or lalaki? Salamat and God bless. For me, no, because this is what God's given me and I am happy for it and I'm contented of what has God given to me. Thank you so much. Kibbs, you're next.
Nag-cross sa utak ko the hormones and operations, and then misclap out ko rin siya. Why? Because I don't have good hormones. So,
Okay.
bakit ko pa gagawin complicated? So, no.
Right. Right. Ako never naman nag-cross sa mind ko na maging babae or what. I'm happy to see our sisters that they're very happy of what they are, or like RuPaul's Drag Race. I'm a very, very big fan or huge fan of RuPaul's Drag Race. Kaya nga yung pangalan ng aso ko is RuPaul eh. Kasi
Yes.
because yes, kaya RuPaul din siya dahil I'm a very big fan. But you know, that's how they wanted their life to be happy about. Pero ako, hindi ako ganun eh. Kaya I be like this
Correct.
lang tayo. 'Di ba?
And yeah, I'm happy then. I mean, aminado naman ako na girl lalo din naman po ako. That just because sinabing lesbian doesn't mean na feeling lalaki na or isip lalaki. Although may ibang category yon. For me, accept ko naman na girl ako. It's just that gusto ko rin ng girl. Hi. Ganun.
I kiss a girl and I like it. Ganun.
Ayan.
Sabi ni Ate Rosita Egnar, kami dito sa Norway, open-minded kami dyan, but yun, correct, totoo no, may mga mga sa ibang
Mag-migrate
bansa
na
like
tayo.
Europe, like sa Europe, di ba, may mga talagang, may pag-ganun pa talaga sila, especially in the Netherlands, in US, may mga ganun din, but some states may mga ganun, di ba? That's ang joke. I love it, Drew. Oh, thank you so much. And yun, maganda din yung sagot ni ni Kibbs. Good answer, host Drew. Thank you so much. Jason Obarquez, that opens my questions a while ago. And then Sander 2010 vlogs, harang ulit. Okay. Hi Hannah, here also open. Yeah, open din sa Switzerland and sa kung saan mang Europe. I think mostly ng European country is really, really open when it comes to the LGBT community, right? Yes. So now, since love is an open door, yes, and then yun nga, love knows no gender. Since we're talking about, kanina, we keep on repeating this about equality. Do you think Philippines is ready for a same-sex union?
We need to rephrase the question once again. Yeah, tama. Tama yung question. Same-sex union, yeah. Because there's a big difference between...
Yeah, it's a union, not marriage. Union.
Marriage. Half ako dyan eh. I mean, I really want to. Like, if there's an opportunity, I'd be in the front lines. But if you take a look in the hindsight, how ready is the legal system to support same-sex union? Kasi dati nga, I don't even believe in marriage, right? And the only thing that changed my mind is that kapag may nangyari sa akin, pag namatay ako, right? Kanino mapupunta yung mga milyones ko? Charot!
Milyones, wow.
Joke lang. Gusto ko hindi maiwan yung partner ko. Ayoko siyang
Mhm.
mahirapan. Unlike sa mga tao ngayon, di ba, by law, kapag namatay si husband or si wife, automatic yan. Beneficiary is yung spouse. Pero
Mhm.
sa same-sex part or same-sex union, wala kasi tayong ganong legislation eh. But if kung
Right.
magkakaroon siguro, I'll be pushing for it all the way.
Right.
Are we ready for it? Not yet, but I'm optimist and I'm optimist prime. Just kidding. And I'm
You're
hopeful that we'll get there.
optimistic? Yes, me too.
Optimus prime. I'm
I
hopeful.
don't think, yes, we're hopeful. I don't think that Philippines is ready na when it comes to same-sex union,
Oo.
because again, Philippines is a very conservative country, Catholic, one of the mga sa Asia. So when it comes to the culture and to the upbringing, I think it's not ready. But when it comes to the society, especially with the new breeds na ng mga human beings ng Philippines, I think they're ready. But when it
The
comes to
new
the law
generation.
and the new generations, but when it comes to the law and when it comes to how it will be implemented, I think that will take 50, 100 years or so.
Oo.
But siguro mas
Malaking
lesser,
gulo pa yun.
mas maganda. Oo, correct, 'di ba? So yun, it became successful sa Taiwan just recently. Yes, Jason
Yeah.
Marquez, that's correct.
Oo.
The thing is, if you will
He's
go
a
to
Roman Catholic
Taiwan or
son.
any other, if you will go to Taiwan or any other countries that allow same-sex union or same-sex marriage, as they call it, if you will come back here in the Philippines and live together and be here all your lives, you will not be recognized. So it
Hindi
will
siya
only be
mag-aano.
recognized to the country that really recognizes same-sex marriage.
Correct.
So wala din, 'di ba?
Migrate na
So
lang
for
tayo. Sabi
me,
ko nga, migrate tayo.
mag-migrate tayo. I think that's the only way. So if you really want to get married, then just migrate and then, stay there forever. Stay there for the rest of your lives, ganun. Ayun, 'di ba? Kelly Sandra, gwapa, unique pa rin po. Rosita Egner, in my opinion, it's okay kasal sa civil but not in the church. But don't misunderstand okay, because I respect and love all people because God love us. Yes, that is correct, Ate
Yes, agree po
Rosita.
tayo dyan.
I agree as well. If civil and then as long as may civil union and then same yung rights na nakukuha natin for those other
Correct.
heterosexual partners, why not, 'di ba? And again, kaya nga ano tayo eh, kasi respect lang. And yeah, I like that, Ate Rosita. Thank you so much for that comment. Hannah Unique, guapo, thank you. Jason Obarquez, correct at you. Yes, that is correct. There are people who will still not believe or really respect of what we are saying right now, baby. There are still people who are
Because
like
we're just
that. But of
making chika.
course, ano, no, no, no.
Not believe kasi we're just making chika.
Oh yes,
Charot. Joke.
yes, because we're just making chika. But then that's the reality. That's sabi nga ni Jason Obarquez kanina, mahirap maging bakla, mahirap maging part ng LGBTQ community, like what General Bistak says, because you are proving something. You are proving more than the
Mm.
normal, the heterosexual human being are doing.
Mm.
So it's really a hard hardship for us na pero we're happy with being like this, and we're
As
we're
long
you
as we
know
have, yeah, as long as we have these beautiful friends who support us, it's not gonna make
yes,
it's not difficult for us.
correct. Speaking of which, Kibbs, I don't know if I've asked you this earlier. While you were growing up, hindi naman ikaw parang do you have an official na parang coming out talaga sa parents mo or sa family? Do you have that?
Okay,
Or because kasi bata ka
walang
pa ganun na?
walang ganong sa culture namin, hindi kasi ganun. Um, it's parang tolerated but not accepted. Parang ganun din yung drama.
Parang open secret na ganon.
Parang they know, they have an idea, but it's not openly talked about. Because my mom's
Okay.
a Sagrado Katoliko. My dad's from the province who's reserved. So reserved talaga. So, paano ko sasabihin na tayo na yung may girlfriend po?
Aha, aha,
Yung mga
aha.
ganun. Pero they know that I have been bringing friends sa bahay, and they can hear my terms of endearment with my friend. So they have an
Friend.
idea. It's just yeah, it's just that we do not talk about it. Yeah.
Oh, it's an
So
open
pag ano,
secret.
if they, yeah, ano na, sorry?
It's an open secret na lang.
Yeah, parang ganun. So probably if
Mm-mm.
they open the topic or the conversation, then by all means I won't have any hesitations or restrictions. But habang chill lang tayo lahat, we'll just keep it that way.
Chill, oo. Ako naman, nag-out ako sa father ko. But not the usual coming out party ha. I was in the jeepney riding way back home, riding on my way home pala sa galing shift. And then it was, I think, 2 weeks before my 25th birthday. And then I called him. Parang, I don't know, out of the blue. Parang tinawagan ko lang siya. And then we were just like making chika, ganyan, 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 ganyan. And then sinabi ko lang sa kanya na I'm sorry because I'm like this. But I will still be the same Drew na pinalaki, parang ganon. And then we really had that moment na nasa jeep kami. Nasa jeep ako. Diba? But I had that moment. You know what? Nung na-open ko sa kanya at nag-out ako sa kanya, parang isang kaba na bigas na nawala sa ano ko. Nawala sa likod ko na parang, oh my God, I'm totally free. Yes, parang hindi na, well, same with you. We never really talked about it, like at home. But it's really different now or after that because parang wala na akong hesitations, wala na akong parang reservations, wala na akong
Mm.
parang pagdadalawang isip na sabihan ko yung mother ko, hoy Mudra, hoy madam, ganun, mga ganun. Di ba? So sabi ni Ate Rosita from Norway, of course, hindi sakit ang maging bakla. It's a normal. It is normal. That's normal. You must be proud kaya. Pareho lang tayo. Yes, but you know what? I will also share my story. While I was growing up, I thought that it is an illness or I'm sick because nakakagusto ako sa lalaki. Kasi 'di ba syempre yung upbringing 'di ba? Ang kailangan
It
babae
must
at
have been a
lalaki
tough
lang.
time for you.
Because sabi ni tita, because sabi ni lolo, because sabi ni ganito ganyan, because sabi ni society, I thought it was. I really thought it was. And it came to a point that parang gusto ko nang lumayo. Gusto ko nang alam mo 'yun, magpakalayo-layo because I think
Mm.
I am a mess, ganon. Mess ako sa
Mm.
family. But buti na lang naging supportive yung parents ko and I never really had that yung mga mga shower thoughts na parang habang nasa-shower ka, oh my God, ano kayang naisipin ko? Ganon. Kasi may parents ako. Pero you know what? I'm really, really happy because my parents never pressured me to be as what they want me to become. Mm-mm.
I'm happy that you were able to tough it out. I mean, at a young age, it's really difficult to handle those. I'm glad that you were able to tough it out, and you have supportive parents to help you follow the light which is following the right decision
Mm-mm.
of
Correct.
of loving yourself. Yeah.
Right, tama. Sabi ni Jason Navarquez, may official coming out ba? Wala naman. Gibbs
O
and
ngayon, alam
Bruce,
na,
may official coming. Wala naman yata. I think the official coming out is really kung pag masabi mo na. 'Di ba? Sabi naman
pag
ni Nisa
napanood siguro ng mga
Latwatsira,
magulang ko, alam mo.
alam na nila. Mga groups of friends ko, mga Vayet, sabi ni Nisa Lagwatsira, gusto ko nga silang kasama. Sabi ni Ate Rosita Egner, mas gusto ko pa nga maging kaibigan ang mga bakla dahil naiintindihan pa niya ako kaysa sa mga babae. Yes, most of the time, no? Ganon. And then, same with kids, no official coming out pero may validation from my father. Oh, same daw din kay Jason Abarquez. No official coming out din daw sa kanya pero walang validation. Sabi naman ni Desing Joke, yung dumikit sa akin maya-malik bakay. Alright, nakikinig ako sa Chika, chismosa ako, manahos. Tamsak ng busy, thank you so much. And then sabi ni Ate Hannah Songbooks, I grew up with my gay friends and I adore them so much. 'Di ba? So, yung mga ganun na yung mga ganun na mga experience and we're just really thankful that we have that kind of we have that kind of friends or set of friends and family who are really loving us of being
Correct.
who we are.
Mm-hmm. That's true.
Sabi ni Kate Cruz, ako, friend ko si Drew's Corner, di niya ako naiintindihan. Hoy, saang part hindi kita naiintindihan? Krompalin kita dyan, ha? Krompalin kita dyan. Char! Pero syempre, hindi na kita makrompal kasi ang layo-layo natin sa isa't isa. So yun, guys. Oo, you know what? I'm really happy that na-push natin to kids, 'di ba? It took a while for us to push this live streaming kasi may mga other commitments sa ating mga live streaming, but then again, tayo nang busy, yes. So ako naman, every Friday lang talaga ako live streaming because I don't want to be stressed then, no, every time na may work tayo more every day. So every Friday lang talaga. And then, yun nga, again, kids, thank you so much for the time. Thank you so much for giving, for this opportunity that I have a chance to talk to you like this. Kasi before, we never really had a chance to talk and to really make chika like this. Kasi sa office, di ba? Hi, hello, how are you, buddy? How are you, my partner? How are you sa work? More of sa lang tayo nagkikita sa engagement, sa Christmas party, pag nagpe-prepare tayo sa mga activities, and of course, our bossing is here sa engagement, si Mavi De Vera, and then, di ba? So, ganun lang natin usapan natin sa office because we're so busy. But here, talagang nag-uusap tayo and I'm really, really glad and happy that pinaunlakan mo ang aking invitation for this live streaming and to celebrate as well the Pride Month. And yun nga, before we end the Pride Month, meron pa rin akong isang guest for tonight, which is you.
Hi. Well, thank you, Drew, so much sa pagpapaunlak.
Of course.
I wasn't expecting, sa dami ng mga kilala mo, parang bakit si Kibbs, I was expecting na imbitahin mo si Aiza Sigueras, Jake Cyrus, yung mga ganyan.
Wala pa tayo doon sa ganong level. Wala pa tayo doon.
I have to say this is the first time that we did talk on a personal level. And I like it, and wow, thank you. And we have to do it live pa talaga, no? Okay.
Yes. Of course, so that people will also be, di ba? Be happy watching us doing this, especially on a, my God, magto 12:30 na, 12:35, di ba? But they're still here watching us, ganon.
At salamat din sa mga support ng mga viewers ni Drew. Saang bansa man kayo. Hello and thank you naman.
Yeah, and yun nga, Kibbs. Oh, thank you so much, Jelmar TV. Thank you so much, Denise Mendoza, Drew and Kibbs. Congrats. Yeah, thank you so much. And also, before I let you go, any message to our viewers out there that are still struggling to be out in the closet?
One of the things that did help me as to where I am now, which is being confident with what I chose to be, is having a good support system, right? We do not, sa mga nagsa-struggle dyan, do not expect people looking for you and, going to you and say, oh, kumusta ka na? Ano nangyari sa'yo? It doesn't work that way. You have to get out there. You have to reach out. That's the only way for us to help people who are struggling. Help us help you by reaching out to people. Be out there. Kasi if you just keep yourself in a corner and then expect people na puntahan ka, walang mga kung meron man siguro, it's gonna take a lifetime for that to happen. Unless when we're proactive enough to say that I need this, I need support, I'm looking for this and that. I need to understand my rights and so on. That's the only time that we'll be able to be confident. That's the only time that we'll be able to show na kaya ko pala.
Right.
Bakit ngayon ko? Well, it's never too late, right? It's never too late. Even if you're like 60 years old, 70 years old, or 10 years old, you have the right, you have the time. It's never too late to go out. And and love.
And love. Ako naman, before I let you go and for me to move on to my next segment, my last message or my message would be just learn to accept yourself and the rest will follow. That's it.
Correct.
Simple. Ganon. Yeah, thank you so much, Kibs. And I hope this will not be the last time, Kibs, na mamputa ka dito sa aking live streaming. And I hope there will be a lot more of chances na magkakaganito pa tayo live streaming. And also, guys, for those who don't know, Kibs kasi is one of our trainer in our office. So ganun po talaga siya. So siya ang aming pangmalakasan. So 'di ba? Why not? So baka may live streaming ako when it comes to how to be successful in a BPO, how to be successful in my career. Then maybe, 'di ba? One of the topics that we will be tawag nito tackling will be your experience and your your sharing of thoughts sa ating mga manonood. But that will be in the future. But for now, again, I would like to thank you because you are here and really give me a chance to talk to you and have this kind of conversation. My God, sa live streaming pa. And of course, our people out there are watching us live from the ating mga ka-opisina, di ba? So thank you so
Mm.
much. Ayun, guys. So, Kids, you know what? I really hate to see you go, but I
But
don't want
it
to
is what
keep
it is.
I don't want to keep you late, diba? Syempre, kasi it will be a happy weekend for all of us next tomorrow. So again,
Correct.
see you around, kids. Thank you so much and have fun. See you
Thank you,
around.
Drew. Bye,
You're
everyone.
welcome. You're welcome. Okay. So yun guys, thank you so much sa ating guest for tonight. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching Drew's Corner. If you want to see more of my videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be updated anytime. See you on the road. Bye.